Late last year, American Express refreshed the benefits on their Amex Gold Card, introduced a swanky looking rose gold limited edition that's only available for less than a week from now. Another thing that's expiring on January 9th, 2019 is this special launch offer that comes on top of the welcome bonus, where Amex will give you a 20% statement credit on dining charges at US restaurants for the first 3 months, up to $100. Right now, the card has a welcome offer of 25,000 points after you spend $2,000 in the first 3 months. If you use my referral link in the description, you'll get 50,000 points instead of 25,000. I'll also get some bonus points too, so I'll really appreciate it. Now, after you get the card, there are 5 things you must do as soon as you get it in order to take advantage of all the benefits it offers. Hey guys, my name is Rami and welcome to Points Pointers. My goal for this channel is to help you earn and redeem as many points as possible to upgrade your travels for little to no money. So if you're interested in travel hacking and award travel, then like the video and please consider subscribing. I'll also share a lot of trip reports and reviews of first and business class flights from around the world, as well as some travel vlogs. You can also download my free 10-step travel hacking guide in the description below. Now this list is in no particular order. I recommend just taking a few minutes once you get your Amex Gold Card and activate it and just do all these things before you forget. First thing you want to do is claim your $100 airline credit. You're going to want to choose an airline with which you'll get the $100 airline credit. You can change your choice once a year in January. I recommend you choose either American Airlines or Delta because they both sell gift cards online and those can trigger the credit. This is great because you guarantee getting the full value of this benefit and the gift cards don't expire. If you choose American, the way to get the credit to trigger by buying a gift card is you want to buy one $100 gift card. So go on American's website, buy one $100 gift card and have it emailed to yourself. If you choose Delta, you're going to want to buy 2 $50 gift cards in order to trigger the airline credit. Just as a disclaimer, this method has been used for many years now, and as of the time of recording of this video, it still works. I actually had my wife apply for the card at the end of December, so we claimed $100 for the calendar year of 2018, and we will get another $100 this year. This means I already covered $200 of the first year's annual fee of $250. Number 2 is enroll your card for the $120 dining credit, which gives you up to $10 per month in statement credits when you use the card at eligible dining partners, including participating Shake Shack locations, the Cheesecake Factory, Ruth's Chris Steakhouse, and GRUBHUB and Seamless delivery services. Number 3, you want to add your card to your Seamless and GRUBHUB accounts. This way you can earn 4 times points on those purchases and also use your $10 monthly dining credit. Number 4, get your $100 dining credit. This is different from the $120 dining credit. If you apply before January 9th, you'll get 20% back on eligible dining charges up to a max of $100 in dining statement credits in the first 3 months. So if you spend $500 on dining in the first 3 months of having the card, you'll earn the full $100. Number 5 is to take advantage of the 4-point bonus categories. The card earns 4 membership rewards points per dollar at US restaurants and on the first $25,000 spent annually at US supermarkets. One thing that can be very useful with the 4 times points at supermarkets is gift cards. You can buy gift cards to different stores, gas stations, and Amazon and get 4 times points. This can be very lucrative. I didn't try it out myself yet. If you did, let me know in the comments how it went. Thank you for watching. Check out my Instagram and Twitter. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if this is your first time here, I would love to have you subscribe and hit the bell button because every week I'm publishing videos that will help you earn a ton of credit card points and frequent flyer miles that will enable you to travel the world for little to no money.